Tired of launching marketing campaigns only to find out your messages look completely wrong? Today, we're diving into Aisensy to show you how to send test messages, ensuring your campaigns are perfect before they go live. First, log into your Aisensy account and navigate to the Message Templates section. This is where your message masterpieces are stored. Select the message template you want to test. Pay close attention to any personalization variables or links you've included. Now, look for the Send Test Message button, usually located near the top or bottom of the template editor. Click on it. A pop-up window will appear, prompting you to enter the phone number you want to send the test message to. This should be your own number or a trusted colleague's. Make sure you enter the correct number, including the country code. Double-check the phone number for accuracy to avoid sending the test message to the wrong person. Once you're sure, click Send. Now, check your phone. You should receive the test message within a few seconds. Carefully review the message for any errors. Check that the personalization variables are displaying correctly, the links are working, and the overall formatting is as expected. If you spot any issues, go back to the message template and make the necessary adjustments. Then, repeat the testing process until you're satisfied with the result. By following these steps, you can ensure your Aisensy campaigns are error-free and effective, leading to better engagement and results.